Okay, so I did not realize that it cut off on the last part. What I was saying was we're talking about elevation and depression. So example 6, a parasailer is attached to a boat with a rope that is 72 feet long. The angle of elevation from the boat to the parasailer is 28 degrees. Estimate the parasailer's height above the boat. So this is exactly like that problem on Snow Day Packet 1, I think, or Emergency Packet 1, whatever. So it says that the rope is 72 feet long. If you draw a triangle, always draw a triangle, and your boat is down here, you don't have to draw the pictures, and you're parasailing, just to get a visual. It says that the rope is 72 feet long. So if it's attached to the boat and you, that's where the 72 goes. And then the angle of elevation from the boat to the parasailer is 28 degrees. So that goes down here. So we want to know the parasailer's height above the boat. So we have these two options. Obviously it's going to be this one because that's height. So to find that, we make this x. And we say from 28, what side is x? It's opposite. What side is 72? It's hypotenuse. So what trig function uses the opposite and hypotenuse? And that's going to be sine. So we have sine of 28 equals x over 72. Since 72 is not a special triangle or a special angle, we'll just multiply both sides by 72. And in our calculators, we type in 72 times sine of 28. And that'll give us 33.8 feet. So our answer, well, that was x. So our answer is 33.8. Okay, so this is all. If you have any questions, message me on Schoology, and I'll try my best to help you out.